When Dan called me in April of 2022 and said, hey, I'm going to retire, after I congratulated him, the next thing I said was, well, how do you think we should replace you? And he said, honestly, Ben and Christina had been my trusted lieutenants for years, and they've gotten to the point where they really don't need me anymore. Together, they run the entire business, and their skills are very consistent with each other. I think together, you ought to make them co-general managers. I thought about it for a few minutes, and I said, yeah, that's the right decision for Douglas.
Working with Christina has been very smooth. We get along very well, work off each other very well.
Naturally, me and Ben just have a kind of a brother and sister relationship. We just get each other. We work well together. We both are always on the same page, and we're able to joke with each other, have that kind of sibling. We don't really argue about anything, but just have that sibling kind of relationship where we can joke. We depend on each other, and where somebody needs something, we're always just there. We have each other's back, and I've known him for so long that it's just it works. It was a perfect match. We couldn't do it without each other, that's for sure.
What she doesn't know about the machining side of it, I do, and what I don't know about the business side of it, she does, so we blend together perfect. It's a great mix.
When Dan transitioned out and Ben and Christina took over the company, since then it's just been foot on the gas pedal and good things happening. The company's just growing since then.
Dan focused on three things. One, treat your customers like gold. Two, treat your employees as good as your customers. And three, invest like crazy in CapEx to add capabilities and capacity. That's exactly how he was successful. That's exactly the formula that Christina and Ben are pursuing.
The best memory here would be when I started working with my dad. Just kind of having that relationship and getting to see him every day was really funny. I kind of miss that, I guess, the most, but that's probably my best memory of being here, is just learning from my dad.
Working with Christina makes my day very easy. Her and I get along very well. We understand each other very well. We are both striving to do whatever is best for the customer, whether it's saving time, saving money, and other things along those lines. As long as the customer is happy, that's our main goal, and we're both on the same page with that.
Why I like working with Ben. He's pretty laid back, easy going. He'll usually help you out when you got a question that's over your head. Got lots of experience.
Whenever someone has a problem, he's always there to help. And even if you mess up, he won't be too hard on you. It's a A+M guy.
I can't say enough about the way Christina and Ben have stepped up and carried Dan's legacy forward wonderfully.